Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Moonpay, specifically how you can sell Bitcoin quickly and safely using the Moonpay platform. For that, first of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account if you haven't already. Make sure that you have verified your identity over here before placing the selling order. Over here on the home page itself, you are going to see this sell tab. So when you click on the sell tab, you just have to wait for some time until it redirects you here on the next page. Over here by default Bitcoin will be selected, so you don't need to change anything over here. But if in your case there is any other cryptocurrency, you just have to simply select BTC. After that, by default euro will be selected here, so you can click on the option of this drop down menu. Then you can search for USD, GBP or any other cryptocurrency in which you want to basically get the payment after selling your Bitcoin. Now it is going to show you the equivalent amount of Bitcoin that you are going to get. So here you can just simply enter the amount. After that, you can just simply click on the option of continue here in the bottom. Now on the next page, you just have to select your payment method in which you want to get the payment. It can be your bank account or it can be your PayPal account. After adding the payment method, you need to provide some of your basic details like your first name, your last name, then your date of birth and select your nationality. Then you need to simply just conclude the payment. Once you do this within just 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to receive your crypto or your money in your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.